Hello mga ka-chef spotters! Spotted na to si MV Reyna Sabiera of Montenegro Shipping Lines Incorporated, underway bound for Surigao City from Pasirisa, Dinagat Islands. Currently serving Surigao City to Pasirisa, Dinagat Islands vice versa route, as well as Surigao City to Dapa, Siargao Island vice versa route. Shoutout sa mga officers and crew of MV Reyna Sabiera. Don't forget to like and follow the Inter-Island Chef Spotter for more updates and videos.
Masaya sa Montenegro, Montenegro, ang barko na paborito ko. Isang pamilya tayo dito sa Montenegro. Huwag kang mahihiya at welcome lahat kayo. Pag merong kailangan, kumpleto ang tauhan. Handa kayong